Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel at Director Willy, and today we are going to have a game. Utatoboa? Utatoboa? Let me tell you ni game gani by the way. So, as you can see our director today ametuandikia nini? Maswali. Ni truth and dares, And akatuambia ukiulizwa alafu ushindwe kusema ama ushindwe kuansa ama ushindwe dare. You see what this? You see what is this? Bede nini na nini kwa hapa? Alieka nini na nini?
Kuna some chilies, tumeweka soya sauce, tumeweka vinegar.
Jesus Christ.
And then tukachukua the paper, that kapilipili paper. Unaona hadi kuna two seeds. Tuka mix, tuweka tomato paste, tumeweka please guys don't try this at home.
Maze director kwani utaki maisha mazuri wallahi. What is this? Surely. Wala tu kuua mtoto wa mtu.
Alafu ukishindwa.
Anyway,
if it is too the kapilipili is too hot on your mouth, ikikuchoma sana, there are a glass of water na kuna some biscuits kukutuliza.
Hizi tuseme tuondoe maji na biscuit. Tuondoe maji na biscuit. Hizo tu you just eat this one.
Biscuit for emergency.
Bob, be with us. Sema kitu.
So hi guys, my name is Nimo. Platform zote najitanga tu Nimo. So at least leo tumeletewa banga and panga and bang.
And guys, as you all know, ile sheria inakuanga, it's ladies first.
No.
Yes. So I'll be the one to pick the paper. Alafu then ndo nisome what is there. Alafu atupeleke nalo ama vipi? Kama you supporting me on that, ladies first. Hapo kwa comment section by the way usisahau.
Tunabadilisha katiba. Vitu za century 19. 18. Tuko century 20.
Whatever, I don't know.
Ladies akula mwenye naweza ruka neck. So we start with the men.
So no. It's ladies first. Anyway, either way, before tuanzie by the way, don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
In the comments.
Kabisa. Alafu wafanye kale kabel, akaeke on.
Notification.
Every time tuna upload video,
unakuwa notified.
Twende nalo.
Haya. Ladies you?
Si umekataa ladies first. Mimi sibishanangi.
Pick one then you give me.
So you want me to pick
one paper, you give me a read for you.
And you see how this gender is. Yaani mtu anataka mimi mwenyewe nijichukulie
then
sentence yangu. Surely.
Sisi kuchukulia wewe pick. Kiba nini nakufanyia vizuri pick.
So help me God.
Pick one.
Acha nicheze.
No way. Wana ribu game. Pick one. Nini hiyo tu umerudia?
Let's see guys. Lakini who am I? Who am I? Oh my goodness. Aki director please. School ifanya vitu. School ifanya ile kitu.
So here, using sound, try
let
to turn me on. You
Wait, let me see.
Oh
let me see. Maybe unasema kitu yenye haiko.
Using one sound, try to turn me on.
My goodness. Director, surely what is this? What is this, brother?
Oh my God.
At using a sound, try to turn me on. You have 1 minute.
Try me on. I want to be on. I want to be on. I want to be turned on.
Director.
Guys,
tunaweza fanya hiki kitu tena. Like, unaweza andika hizi vitu zingine.
No.
Hapana,
kuna chilies.
Kuna option. Wait, kuna option ya kuchange. Tumeshasoma.
Ndio chilies. By the way, hadi mtu akinini tunaweka.
Ama tuseme aje utaniuliza hii swali ya mwisho.
Wait. There are some chilies. One chili.
Who does this surely?
One chili. Turn me on faster. You're short of time. Chili na mimi nakuongesha. Harakisha, turn me on. I want to be turned on with that sort of sound. Oh my God.
Check it. To change it.
No.
Niweke ingine.
You are in for it. Sulikuwa msemo unataka game.
We.
Na si ndio game.
But director why?
Haya, take bus some chilies. Sasa patia mingi.
I only have a minute.
Yeah,
We don't have a stopwatch.
Sawa.
We don't have a stopwatch.
I have mine.
No. Ni saa ngapi?
Saizi it's 350.
350.
Yeah.
So 351.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness.
I want to be
Naweza fanyia nyuma ya kamera?
No, I want to be turned on. I want to be turned on.
Who does this?
Aya, answer.
So,
It's 351 already, answer.
I'd rather eat chili.
You'd rather eat chili. You'd rather eat chili.
Guy yote. Surely.
You'd rather-
Akikuanga na huruma.
You'd rather eat chili.
Akikuanga na huruma.
Sawa. Maybe acha nipeka dogo ndo niambie venye ku.
No, clear the spoon kwanza. Ndo uone
Ndio
kama
hiyo spoon si ni safi. Hata nakumwagilia hivi tu kwa mdomo. Hata sijakuwa. He's oh my god.
Oh my.
How do you
I hope you'll be turned on.
Okay, I have continue.
Acha niweke hii kando. Hata na drop hapo chini usichukue tena.
Sasa ni mimi.
Now take your sentence.
May God help me. May God help me. May God help me.
Tanina nina na 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 na. Muyo muyo. Muyo muyo. Muyo muyo. So simple. What turns you on the most?
What turns me on the most? What turns me on the most?
Yes.
Uh,
Actually, this is not fair.
it's something crazy. But what turns me on? Something crazy like anyway.
What crazy? Tell us. Tell us. Angalia kamera gani, director?
Acha
That's your camera. Yes.
What
tell
turns
us.
me on?
Yes, tell us.
What? Imagine. Please, this video is only for people under above 18.
Okay.
What turns me on? Imagine. Uko hapo kwa bed. Your boyfriend amevaa that kaboxer, that ka tight. And then they comes in. Yes, that's what
No, finish. Hajatuambia vizuri. Mimi I hope mimi sijaelewa. Hebu tuambie. Mimi sijaelewa.
Shona hizi boxer za super. Za Naivas. Za white, black, you see. Then kanakuwa kameshika mtu. Pop. Then your boyfriend has passes like this in there.
It turns you. Oh my goodness.
That's the
Sawa. Lakini director surely mimi hizo maswali yake.
You picked and
I love big things.